everybody, welcome back to another video of Watch Me Practice Trading. This is the week of August 15th, 2022. We're currently doing Wednesday, August 17th. We're trading the E-mini NASDAQ, which is NQ. We've done 3 sessions already this morning, so we're up 13,000 for the day. We start off the week at 35,000. We did 36,800 so far. So we've more than doubled slightly. And our balance right now is 71,800. So that's going to be our starting thing. So last time we started at 946, we went to about 1015. So we'll continue kind of where we left off and we'll go with 1016. Looks good. So Wednesday the 17th, 10:16 a.m. and 71,800. Is that right? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So we will probably go up until lunchtime, which is 12. And then I don't know if we'll do lunchtime or skip it, go later on until just before 1 o'clock, but we'll see how things go. So getting into the thick of things here, I'm going to pause it right away. That worked pretty good last time, so I'm not talking and explaining things kind of where we're at while we're losing market time. So we have 4 charts here. We have 5-minute, then lower left is 1 hour, then these 2 are tick charts. These are short-term, long-term tick charts. You can look at it that way. We are trading the NQ, like I had mentioned before. I'm going to try to go a little bit heavier here because, we've gone up quite a bit and we'll just take on a little bit more risk in order to see if we can profit a little more. I'm not going to go crazy, but at least I hope not. And we'll see how things go. So last week, which is down here. So last week, so Friday, we had a run up, then it went sideways. Then it went up again here. Oh, this is Friday. Then Monday, we ran up and then went sideways after hours, took a dip down, came back up, went sideways. And then on Wednesday morning, we had a sell-off. So it was pretty substantial. It started around 1 in the morning. And let's see, right here-ish is where open was. So opening was somewhere in here, somewhere in this candle. Then we had a fairly substantial sell-off in the 9 o'clock hour. So we opened at around 5:34. We wound up closing at 4:24. So about a 100-point move down from open to close. And we're kind of down there in the bottom area right now, just above the 400 mark. So just slightly above it. If we look at the 5-minute chart, we've got the opening range. So opening was over here. We had a sell-off again for most of the morning, actually pretty much the entire morning. We did create a high here at 564. We've got the opening range low at 464. Wait, is that on point? Yeah, 564, 464. Yeah, don't see that very often. So yeah, 100 point. This is the 50%. So 50 up here, 50 points down here, and we're a little ways under that, right? So opening range low is 65, and our low is at 24, so about a 40-point drop here. So we're going down, up, down. There's some big down candles here. When it goes up, they're fairly small in comparison. So we did come up, we invalidated this guy here a little bit, tried to. So sentiment definitely is short everywhere. Looking at the tick charts, yeah, it's very, very short oriented there. Let me switch a couple of these things here. Okay, so looking at this chart here, I'm using this box to kind of like help identify ranges. So that's a range right there. I mean, not necessarily this far left, but I mean, we're in a range here. We've got a low that we're almost at. We've got high that we've hit like a couple of times, right? 1, 2, 3 times at least. And we're observing some of these momentum indicators. And again, we're momentum short on all of them. So we are expecting it to go down. I don't know. So we do have a level here just above 400. Something might happen here. Something might happen at 400. Yeah, our low is right with the high here from back in early August. Right, so it was like 2 weeks ago. So there's a couple of things here from 300 on up. We'll concern ourselves with the immediate ones here for now. Maybe we should move this up slightly or do another line. No. We'll leave this as it is for now. Okay, so what are we thinking here? So this could be a short-term run up, maybe get up to here, or we could kind of hit up towards these momentum indicators and come down and test this low again. So here, let's unpause. We'll start trucking here. And here we'll anticipate that it's going to go up a little bit, and we'll put in a couple entries. Move this up. Maybe we'll get an overshoot. Did we get, no, we didn't get picked up. Okay, we got picked up for one. Let me see if I can turn this up a little bit. I don't think you'll be able to hear the fills, but we'll see. So we might have been a little cautious here. Let's see if it runs up or not. Still, if it just picks us up here and goes back down, I mean, too short is better than nothing. It would have been nice to have been heavier if we go down. It would be nicer to get picked up a little higher just so we can bring our average up. There's still time. Okay, got us in for 2. Now it's at the high. I'll bring this down just a little bit. Leave this one up. So we've defined the top of our box right here. So we'll kind of pay attention to see if it breaches the top and then how far up it goes. So in terms of, let's see, a reversal, I'm thinking like in this area here, if we go up, man, it could go up a little ways, which is why we don't necessarily want it to go up. We'd rather see it go down. Go down and test that low again. So it does look like it wants to breach it. Yep. So it could go up to here. We'll let it go up against this just a little bit. And then it can rip down. Not liking that. could be building a basis to continue up there. Let's see how close we're. So we're pretty close to closing this candle. On the 5-minute, we've got 22 left. And looks like there are 22 seconds left. It's going to go green. Man, I'm thinking it's going to go up higher. Let's see. We're in for 6. So I've got that ready just in case I want it. Build a little level here. Come on down. And I am ready to bail on this because it might truck on up and test. I don't want it to test 500 with us being in it. That's a definite no bueno. And it is going sideways a little bit. Sideways down, kind of. 10:20. Keep looking at the time. I think we're going to pull the plug on this and kind of give it a little bit of time and see what happens. Although, would be nice to rip down. Get rid of this. Okay, there's our overshoot. We're now at the opening range low. Tack on there, expecting it to go down, and it's not. But it really wants to. I don't know if it wants to more or I do. So on this guy, we are long. See this candle, the middle is right here, 485. So like right here. So it could reach this high or higher. Here, we'll see what happens here. It looks like it's potentially building some downward move right now, and we're going to get out, and we're in for 10. We'd like to go down 10 points. So let's take a look at what's been happening. We've got some good green candles. The red candles kind of are done after this little move right here. Actually, this move, couple moves. So we've got a green, lower, low red, green, lower, low red. This is the one that kind of hosed us. So we're building some upward move here. How are we looking on these other charts? Momentum check is up here. At this one, it's about 10 points above. Yeah, like 480-ish. There's 480 on here. Yeah, I think around 480 is where it's going to flip, but I'd really rather not ride it all the way up there. Come on down. Give me another one of these. Almost at the 1030. 4 minutes left on this candle. Give us a little more. Or do we just get out? Darn it. Oh well, 400. Could have been worse. Come on back up here. Whoa. Thought it was going to do a bigger move up. Looks like it wants to go down, and we are opposite. I think this is going to be one of those days or one of those videos. Here we go. Wait, we're in for 4. We should have stuck in that. Okay. So it looks like we're going down. Let's see. So we kind of bounced at this level, or maybe not. Here we will do it the old-fashioned way. See about it getting up here. even though I'm really inclined to short it right here. But we did some stuff here and we kind of messed around, dinged ourselves a little bit. So let's wait. Look at the tick chart. Yeah. Wait and see. Strong green candle. Is it losing steam? It's right at 4. All right, 10:30. Let's see, where was 10:30? So 10:30 was right here. Kind of a lackluster 10:30. That's fine though. Okay, let's see if we can get picked up. Oh, almost. And it got us for one. Oh, that's a strong, strong green move there. Strong upward move. In for 4 short. This is a good reversal area. We're expecting maybe a little bit of an overshoot with this. This is a very strong move up. Did it just give up there though? If it gets down to here, we'll take a pair off. It's even a good place to take one off. Just follow it close. Maybe we'll eke out a little bit more, but it might be reversing right there. Let's get rid of these. And it's going to take us out here. Or maybe not. Let's see. It's either done there or it'll go down here. So like 450. Hey, we're in the positive. I'm going to tighten this up a little bit. So 700. This will give us like 350. Come on, go down past that and rip down. It's getting tired. We'll give it a little bit of room. See, it tested the area which I think it would reverse at. Maybe we should just jump out of this. No. Yes. So we're up to 1,000. And we were down a little bit initially. 50-50. Oh, dang it. Yeah. Should have been patient. Oh, look at that. We're right almost at the top of that wick. But that was like right near, I think that was near our break even. Should we try to get back into this? It's a good place for it to reverse, to go back up a little bit. Maybe like reverse somewhere here around 440, then come up to around, I don't know, 460. I thought I clicked it more than that. Okay, where could it go? 435, 430, 435, yeah, around 430 maybe. That's building like a level there though. Around 440. Yeah, based on the price action, still looks like it wants to go down. The low is all the way down here. Let's be patient with it, if that is possible for me. I really kind of want to add to this. So short, 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 short. Everything is still screaming short. So we're in for 8 short. A little early, apparently. Kind of mess around with this a little bit, then rip down. Let's go down here. So I've got this zoomed in quite a bit. It's actually not moving up and down a whole lot. So this is just a little bit over 10 points. This is very narrow for the most part, which I tend to get myself into trouble with when it's this narrow. Because, you know, it's like you zoom in and it looks really substantial, but it's not. So maybe after this trade, we're at 30 minutes right now. Maybe after this trade, we'll stop this video and probably continue after lunch. So closer to 1 o'clock. Okay. I'm thinking it's going to break this low at 442 and then rip down. It just touched it. That's going to be a quick move. Let's see, how did we do? So we're 1,000 in profit. We did 1,900. We dinged ourselves for 800. They're 50-50. There it goes. Let's see, where do we want to get out here? Nice sell-off would be really cool. Especially with us having 8 contracts. So this is the low right here, 423. I would think if we breach this, get down to here, it'll probably go down really quick. Should we take 2 off? Here I took 2 off. So book those profits. It's a decent level right there, around 30. Okay, we're down at the low. How low can you go? So it's either going to bounce here or it's going to rip through. Let's see if it gets down to 400. How are we doing? 1,500. Here's 400 down here. So decent sell-off, very orderly over here. Keep on trucking. Come back up, go back down. We'll give it room, thinking it's going to go down a lot further at the risk of losing some of these profits. Or we could get out here with 4,000 for the day, for the video. So let's see. Short, 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 short. Everything is screaming short. And you can go lower. Should we take another 2 off here? Could potentially go up based on this. It's going sideways. Looks like it's being pushed up a little bit. Slowly inching down. I thought I would just breach this. So I cleared that really quick. So we're in for 3,000 right now. Let's tighten this up. Okay, so we got 415, which is our low. So we are only, was that 7 points only? Yeah. Yeah, it might flip up here. Get down to 410 and rip down. Come on. Let's see, how's this looking? See if it goes up. It might go up to here, 436. So it'll take us out. Okay. Come on. Oh, it's getting jumpy. Breach 415. There we go. There we go. That's all you got? Come on. Or maybe it's going to rip down past 4. What if it gets to 400? That's going to be the rip. So right now it's a slow, leisurely move just before lunchtime. So lunchtime is in 11 minutes. I think we might get out here. Well, either I'm going to hit exit or it's going to take us out. Looks like it's going to take us out. Maybe I should just move it up. Still think it's going to go down a little more. Probably come back up to like here. 424 maybe. 420, 424. Dip down a little more. It's stalling. Because right here was the low from a while back, like an hour ago maybe. Might cut this trade here because it's late for me right now. So me just sitting here watching this. It's wearing me out. Okay. Do we have another downward move here? Test 411. If it gets up here to take us out, I'm not going to move that one. Test this area, rip down. Don't get to 428. Couple minutes, about 8 minutes left until 11. Zoom in a little bit. I was worried that it would start ping pong in here between these two lines. Well, actually, which it still might do. There we go. This is the move I wanted. Come on, rip. That's it. Come on. Where's 400? So here's 400 here. Maybe we'll take off too. Okay, I just dropped 2. Right there. Have a trail. That's going to take us out. It's a good reversal area right here. Right around 415. Hit that. Go back down. A closer way to lunch. A little bit over 5 minutes. Good reversal spot right here. Strong green. Maybe this is close enough to 400 where it's going to find support. Now we're at the bottom of this guy. We're still short 4. We're now short 6. Expecting a reversal here. It's only 5 points. Ooh, that doesn't look good. I don't like that candle. How are we looking on time here? So 3 minutes left. Green. Might be green still. This is switching long. This is still short, short, short. This is a great spot to reverse right here. 28 to 30. Very nice. Strong red. Keep going. Don't like a strong green following my strong red. You know what, if it gets down here, just end it. I'll be happy with this. So it's another 10 points. So we got a level here, which is a low from before and highs from here. Yes. Keep going. It's going to go up again, isn't it? I don't want you to go up. Is this the candle that's going to break the white line? Might be. 50 minutes. Oh. Yes. So 11 o'clock. Must have been the 11 o'clock move. Or just before 11. What time is it? 11:22. 22 seconds. I don't like these. Move this up. Move down big time. Definitely looks like it's poised for a move up. And let us take us out. Take us out. I would only got one. There's our break even. Oh, it's all the way up there. Okay. Yeah, this video is going a little longer than I thought. Oh, man. Some big wick moves. Yeah, it's definitely bouncing between these two lines here. And it's probably going to take us out. Five contracts. Here's our move to the long. Okay, clear everything out of there. So we did okay. We did 3,500. Not too great on winning trades, 61%. It's a good spot for it to go back. Go back down. Makes sense that it takes us out at the wick here and then it just rips all the way down. It happens. It's not like the market's out to get us. Or is it? So there we go. This is a little bit longer, 55 minutes. Here, I'll log this bad boy here. So 55 minutes. And we finished up at 11:04. And we had a profit of 3,500. I think we started at 10:16 as well. So not bad. We did 16,500 for the day. And for the week, we are at 40,300 so far. Thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you all in the next video. We'll be back after the lunchtime break, so sometime before 1 o'clock probably. Although, I don't know, this might be a nice move up. Could potentially go up here to 470, so that would be like, yeah, about a 40-point move. But I don't know how it's going to be moving. So, hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you all in the next one.